Hello, hello, hello. This is Costas, and I'm very excited to show you once again a perfect platform that really converts and gives a lot of traffic to my website and um, to my offers. And I'm gonna show you what exactly I'm doing with ViralDashboard. I'm gonna leave a link to my description so that you can easily test and find out more about this amazing platform. It's trust me, it's a real value for money platform, and it gives you tons of high converting leads and traffic to any website or any link. In fact, you are leveraging um, the social media traffic, and as you can see over here, I'm gonna show you right away. Um, I'm gonna go to main menu here, and I'm gonna show you that I have connected Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google My Business, and in case you want to connect Telegram, you're gonna have to pay something extra for this amazing platform. For me, it's the one-time payment that you can do what I'm gonna show you right away. Okay, so let's go and show you straight because I have already in the past posted several several offers and some very important products that I promote from my one of my websites that is called infogate.gr. So I'm gonna show you. I'm moving straight away to Post Manager. I'm not gonna create any new product, and I'm gonna move over here to some old um, offers that I have already posted before. Let's move a little bit. Okay, over here. I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna click reuse. Okay, I'm gonna just reuse it. I'm not gonna create a post from the beginning, but in case you want to create a post, it's very easy. You just I'm gonna show you even the manual creation of the post. I'm gonna move on and post this one, this post right away. Okay, I'm gonna just remove some stuff from here and I'm gonna click next. And the next thing you're gonna see is just to let me select the pages that I want this post to be delivered. I'm gonna select all of my pages. I'm gonna select Twitter. I'm gonna select Instagram. And I'm gonna select LinkedIn organization, and my Google accounts, and Pinterest. Then to the next page, I'm gonna just click next and select. Okay, it's gonna warn me that to Pinterest the maximum characters are 500, and I have exited the limit. So my post is gonna be trimmed. Trust me, the trimming is gonna be great, and no link is gonna be trimmed. Okay, so I'm gonna click continue, and over here I'm gonna click schedule post because I don't want to post this one right away, and I'm gonna select a timing that fits me nice. I think that timing is great. Um, During the 4th of November, and I'm gonna click schedule post. So that was all. I have my post over here scheduled, and you're gonna see it right away over here to post manager. I'm gonna have one more post scheduled, okay, and it looks great. So I'm gonna move. You see that it's scheduled for. This is the timing of scheduling, and it's gonna be posted at this timing. Okay. So let's go on, and I'm gonna select another one just to have an idea. I'm gonna move on just to an older one. Select this one, and I'm gonna reuse this one too. It was from March, this one, and I have my link over here. I'm gonna move on and click next. I'm gonna select again all my uh, Facebook pages that I have already connected over here, and my LinkedIn page and Pinterest, and I'm gonna move here and click next. And now I'm gonna click next and continue and schedule for uh, 5 November at about 1 o'clock is okay. 1:25 it says okay. I'm gonna click schedule post, and boom, that was all. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now how you can easily create your own post. Okay, uh, let me show you here. I'm gonna go to post manager, and you're gonna see here that I have um, already created the post, and I have 24 scheduled. I'm gonna go here and content to the content manager and click compose. If you're gonna compose um, a new post, you're gonna see that you can write anything you want here, and then you can just upload an image or a video, or you can let's go here to the upload. You're gonna see the images and the videos. You can even click to load the images, and it's gonna load all the images from previous posts, and you can if you want you can use them uh, again and again. I'm gonna click over here to load videos, and you're gonna see that I have even the videos here ready to reuse. And let me try one of them just to see that it's working normally. You see, it looks great and it's working perfectly. And I can use and reuse all those videos anytime I want. You see, it's amazing. And I can just click again next, next, and select all my pages, and that's all. I'm gonna have my post scheduled, the timing that I want, and you can schedule for you can create a calendar of posting for the whole month, for your business or your services, or even for your clients, and just uh, create the whole calendar of social media posting. And that's, trust me, that's really it's gonna save you a tons of time. You don't have to worry about anything. You just see the traffic coming in to your offers, and you just get orders. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. And trust me, I'm gonna show you even more features from this amazing platform. Click to the link of the link of the description, and find out more. And soon I'm gonna create even more content about this amazing platform, and let you know about the AI tools, the designer library, that there are extra features about creating posts and content. But I just want you to trust me that this tool is gonna uh, give you extra time and to do more important stuff. Okay. Thank you once again, and stay tuned. Bye bye.